Hey friends, just the lost soul here. Welcome back to Jurassic World Evolution 3, where insane
How are you
things
getting on
just
over
keep
there?
happening.
Did I miss any survivors?
Okay.
Lily,
Sure
you
happening.
betrayed us. You betrayed me. Why? How could you do that?
I'm sorry, Kira. My young raptor.
You know, I don't think sorry will cut it. How could you be so callous to those animals? To just cut them out of our ecologies when they only just arrived?
They did not just arrive. You make it sound like some kind
I
of
don't have the
miracle,
money.
but those creatures do not belong in this time. Their struggle to adapt should be evidence enough. Nature would have proven me right, but you rejected nature. You thought that these dangerous, desperate animals could just happily live alongside humans. We
You're not wrong.
cannot coexist.
You used to love dinosaurs, Lily. You were there at Jurassic Park, Jurassic World.
Yes, and I couldn't stop them falling apart. What
we
does
can
that
sell
say
this.
about how dangerous these creatures are? I'm sorry, Kira, truly, but you are misguided.
Misguided? Misguided?
I don't need
Lily,
those.
to be so close to self-awareness and yet so far. Newsflash, this whole Extinction Now operation was trying to control nature just as much as Hammond ever did. Except you, in your self-assigned wisdom, thought that destruction was the answer. It's a clumsy tool to wield on the best of days.
Turn yourself in, Lily. This is over.
Can we try and turn a profit? Is that
You
possible?
know I can't do that. I hope I see you again, under better circumstances.
Her comms are out,
Good lord.
but we have a name and a face now. We'll put out alerts and bring Extinction Now to justice.
Dang.
Regardless of Lily's beliefs, I want to reassure you that doing nothing for the dinosaurs would have been the true crime. You should all be proud of your work.
That's right. And I know I can be all doom and gloom, businesslike and serious, but I do believe in our cause. And I'm pretty fond of all of you as well.
Aw.
Great work, everyone.
Oh no, this won't give us any money to destroy. Okay. Oh, can we open the park now? Because there's things. Okay. Yes. So we need more arid. We have too much cover. Okay. Aw, Cabot's fond of us. That's nice. Okay, everything sucks. Okay, there's a balance to be had here. Can we cut into the water, perhaps? Yes! Okay, Rex is 100% happy. How's our Spinosaur? It requires a status check. God damn, this is ridiculous. I think we've got things relatively under control. Okay, add a ranger team. And you guys need one as well. Okay. Well, this is insanity. Quetz is happy-ish. I definitely do not have the money to incubate a Quetzalcoatlus. I don't have Quetzalcoatlus, now I think about it. So that's a thorn in my side. Please don't escape. I can't afford it. Okay. Can I put in, like, a tower, perhaps? Can I put in a balloon tour? That'll be able to see things? Yeah, that's how we'll get our visibility. I'm smart. There. Okay. We have dinosaur visibility.
Take to the skies and
Please. Please, we just need guests. Construction refund. Oh, we can take photos. That's something we can do. Our rangers are busy, but yeah. Okay. 79. Oh, and with the science center they're gone, we may be able to pull these farther this way if necessary. Perhaps. Good God. Okay. I haven't even been able to appreciate some of the dinosaurs we have here, or animals. The big one is the Quetz. Oh, of course, because I paused the freaking game. I keep doing that, like, unconsciously. We've got Quetzalcoatlus, which is pretty crazy. Can I make it daytime? Yeah, for thumbnail purposes. Dusk probably looks best. Yeah, like so. Okay, Spino's getting status checked. It's swimming. That's a good sign, right? Come on. And are these guys getting status checked? They are. Those are money. It's only 7,000 we're losing. Okay. Our restroom coverage and our shelter coverage is dog water. That's okay. I don't think aesthetics matter right now. Does that help? Give those a second to kind of register. It needs more space. Okay. And while we're here, real quick, let's photograph. Where's the Spino? That should be pretty damn valuable. Yeah.
Control relinquished.
It is 79% comfortable. That's something. Okay. Needs to go that way. Go that way, please. Okay. Issues, you've got issues. Everybody's got issues. This park looks terrible, but it doesn't matter at this point. Are we out of power? Yeah, we are. I can't afford this. That's okay. The Rex is completely happy. It's the happiest animal we have. So, that's okay. Apatosaurus wants more leaf. It wants more. Pasture. Okay. Parasaurs are pretty happy. They want more. They want a little bit more wetland, but they'll freaking live. Let's bring the Swino out even further. Just really try to maximize that space for it. making money? No, we're losing money. Accommodation. Could we make money with amenities? Perhaps? If I just get like a small food. Does that turn a profit? It does. Okay. That's good. What about small food? Okay. Those are making money. So let's give that a sec to calculate, I guess. Because we should now be... No. Of course not. Okay, let's take a ranger team out and see if we can make any cash doing fossils. I cannot afford to replace a vehicle right now, so... I don't think I've ever been in such a bad financial state in this game. Where is anything? Oh, that's where our ranger station is. I didn't even...
Rio.
So, crazy things happening with the story, right? Like, I couldn't even appreciate that because of how chaotic this has been. I think it's really cool that they managed to insert a legit plot twist into the game. Into, like, the campaign. That's never... It's been a thing they've tried to do a couple of times, but never really pulled off. Okay.
Range of the asset.
Oh, we're up to... I think we are turning a profit, actually. Just barely. Yes, that's what we need. Okay. We are making money. Okay. How's our Spinosaurus? Spinosaurus is actually completely happy. That's great. That is excellent. Parasaur is not still thrilled, but... Who's dragging this down? Because they should have... They should be there, right? Like, 80%? 100%? 84... 74. Oh, it's this one. Are you needy or something? Bad childhood. Oh. Okay, what if we moved the Apatosaurus? Oh, I can afford increased output, I think. Yes. Okay. Let's take this out. Let's try and photograph the Rex, perhaps. Yeah, that way. Oh, we should put galleries on the T-Rex, now I think about it. That should do a lot for appeal.
We have added a new viewing gallery, ready for you to observe our magnificent
Okay. Yep, just... yeah. Okay. Tyrannosaurus. Tyrannosaurus.
ID on the asset.
Tyrannosaurus. Okay.
Taking back control.
Yes, we have some cash. Let's build an exhibit. kind of boxing ourselves in just a little, but that's okay. I don't really care about making a nice park right now. TBH. Like, really, this one is just about being functional. Like, it just needs to work on a basal level. How many apatosaurs are there? There are 3, so we got them. And then we should be able to make the parasaurs really happy too. Hopefully. Ugh. Is this done enough? I think it should be. It's going fast enough. I think I can just get them moving.
En route to collect the asset. Picking up asset.
Ooh, we built it through this, whatever it is. It's kind of cool, but I think we're gonna get rid of it. Yeah. Neat as it is, I don't feel like adjusting my habitat for that.
After all your work, the dinosaurs finding a place in nature seems more achievable than ever. But the place they find might not be what you expect. Extinction Now's predictions may yet come to pass. The dinosaurs may struggle. Human greed may rear its ugly, exploitative little head. One thing is for sure, nature and the dinosaurs will find their own balance, and this world will change yet again. A rebirth, if you will. It's going to be delicate, uncertain, chaotic, but thanks to people like you, not without hope.
Huh. Finish the main story. Dang. Okay. So we did it. We've completed the campaign. Oh, and we get credits now. How nice. Okay. Well, we'll sit for these for just a minute. Like, all these talented people who work to make this game. This does not mean the series is ending. We are going to keep working until we 5-star everything, probably, and until we have nice parks. There's still a lot to do. A lot I want to do, but... yeah, I guess that's the main campaign story finished. So... that's pretty cool. We did it. We completed everything. I guess it was just the comfort that was the issue. Okay. Yeah, go fast. I wanna show all these people's names because they're cool. Like, I'm sure. Like, talented people who deserve to be credited for what they do. But, yeah, wow. This was a really, really well done campaign. Like, I enjoyed this immensely compared to, like, the first evolution, and especially the second. I am so glad that we got something like this in this game. Like, having a real campaign and a story to progress through and different maps and scenarios. It's been really, really unique and special, and I'm very glad to have it back. I've had a blast playing this. And we are going to keep going, as I said. This is not the end. We're gonna keep developing things for sure, and I'm sorry people whose names have not been shown yet, but I want to get back to it, so... credits, please wait. Lockwood Estate, California. Got appeal modifiers on Spinosaurus and T-Rex. Okay. No restrictions. Create something incredible. Well... oh, hey! I'm gonna get copyrighted.
Guess what? The lawyers looking after Lockwood Estate got in touch, and Kira wasn't around to answer the phone. Now, long story short, they're impressed. With us, with Din, with you. They've asked us to be the guardians of this place. Not a bad outcome, right?
No,
Being a
not at
loyal
all.
and charitable boss, I am gifting you the land. You earned it. You do still work for me, though, so feel free to build something that makes me look good.
Yeah, of
But,
course, Cabot.
Kira would kill me if I didn't say that we do still have clients elsewhere. And fair warning, there might still be a few Extinction Now bad eggs out there.
Yeah.
Either way, we should polish up those parks until they glitter like a golden Cabot Finch bust.
I agree.
But there I go, talking about the plans for my future penthouse, huh? So,
God, I love him so
here's a
much.
target. 5 stars
Chad.
across every site, got it? I'd say good luck, but I would make it sound like anything less than perfection was an option. I really want that penthouse.
Fair enough. Okay. Wow. How about that, guys? We did it. Yeah, we handled that. That was amazing. I guess. Are they coming in? These Myosaurs? Maybe like scanned? Is that what this wants? No? Are they just gonna come visit? That'd be nice. It's like that thing where like the bear breaks into the bear enclosure and stuff. What was it? Was like some zoo or another that happened. Okay, let's get rid of this stuff because we don't need it. And let's just put in weapon. There you go. There you go, everybody. Okay. How about that? How about that? So, we can now build kind of whatever we want over here. I think we might need to rearrange some of this, demolish some of this infrastructure possibly. Actually, with this big enclosure, you might be able to move the parasaurs back in, maybe? Probably not, actually. We should probably keep them separate. But something else can live with the parasaurs. They can maybe get their own home. I want to definitely kind of fix... I'm definitely going to want to kind of fix some of this so it's a little less disastrously designed, because at the moment it's pretty bad. But yeah, we're turning a profit, so things are okay. We need... They're very unsatisfied, too. That's fine. We should get a hotel. We have a small one. I had Attenborosaurus eggs as well that I threw out, which I feel bad about, but I really needed the cash. We can have that again at some point. Okay, and let's take a look at these, because they could be making
For your
more
comfort,
money.
we've increased the hotel capacity of the park.
There we go. That's pretty okay.
Attention personnel, please stand by for a vehicle return.
There, that one. Spoons. Okay. There, like so. So they should be making more money now, they should be getting more satisfied. I don't know that we're actually going to stay here very long. Is that what does this icon mean? These Myosaur are just going to leave, or are they hanging out? We did it, ladies and germs. That's okay. We'll just use the quets for the thumbnail. I'm increasingly obsessed with doing that, with like finding the right animals for it. Okay, so how much time do we have left? 25 minutes? That's fine. We can go a little bit longer. So we've got most of our things happy. I don't think I want to stay here much longer. Like, there's a lot of work that I think needs to be done on this park, and I don't... After that madness, I don't really feel like wrangling this into shape right now. Like, so I think we're going to go to the world map. I think we're going to go back to Biosyn Sanctuary, because we didn't spend much time there. And we had more objectives, so there's more work we can do. Man, that's crazy. Okay, so here we are. It's telling us to build the Hyperloop, which is a thing. And the Dimetrodons should have enough deep water if they just expand their territory. Pyroraptors. Don't go too far from your food source, guys. Pyroraptor's pretty cool. This was like kind of the animal that burst open the floodgates in terms of feathers and that sort of thing. So it's cool to see him here, for sure. It's also, once again, one we haven't seen yet. Default. That's a pretty good shot. Yeah, okay, so Hyperloop stations. Is that going to be in guests? Yeah, we need to research this. Okay, so we're actually going to head to a different map because I don't feel like building a research center either or hiring scientists. So, yeah. Where are we going to go? Let's go to the Azores. I like this map. I like the park we've built here. So, yeah, why not, you know? Man. Just... I don't know. I don't know what to say. That was, like... Just as, like, a tight, like, overarching campaign and stuff and, like, a main story, that was a really tight experience. And I very much enjoyed it. We have maintenance here, right? Yeah, they're just slackers. So, what's going on here? We're out of... This needs to be maintained for some reason. Okay. Well, let's get that Hyperloop station going, because that's the thing we needed. Scientist limit. Are scientists busy? Somehow? Huh. Or do we just not have the logistics? Huh. I guess we don't. We don't really have any high logistics people by the looks of things. We can train them, though. Oh. He's maxed out on that. Who else has good? You have good. Okay, can we do it now? Yes. Okay, get on that. Did we have a storm over here or something? It's been a minute since I was on this map. Yeah. We got our stegosaurs, though, with our homocephalles, I remember. And we got... Over here, we've got our T-Rex. Beautiful. This was our very first Tyrannosaurus Rex that we ever got. I'm happy. Ew, what's wrong? Oh. Were you getting, like, airlifted in or something? Is that what was going on? Right, we got the baby Dilos. Hi. Oh, you're cute. And we've got, over needs maintenance. We've got our raptors. These should be our Lost World tiger raptors, if I remember correctly. Indeed they are. Wonderful. And our big exhibit with the brachiosaurs and the galleys. Yeah. And do we have Parasaur too? No, we didn't have Parasaur on there. I think we want to. Yeah, drink those lily pads. I'm not happy with any of the T-Rex screenshots that I've been able to take, and that episode is coming out soon, so I need to get a good one. Move out of the shadow for starters. Why does it, like, push me up? It's weird, right? Like, but that's a thing. I don't know, I'm just trying to photograph this T-Rex while things are happening. Status checks are expiring and maintenance needs to be done. It's a disaster, folks. Yeah, we're just kind of chilling right now. I'm like, after all that, I don't really feel like starting any big new projects or anything like that. One thing I do remember saying a lot was I wanted this particular park to be very, like, classic dinosaur-oriented. If you know what I mean? Like we've got the T-Rex, and we've got the Stegos, and the Brachys, and the Raptors. I want to have Triceratops and Pteranodon probably specifically on this island. I want it to have, like, the quintessential dinosaurs, you know what I mean? Like big iconic ones. Maybe, I know we're pressed for space, I might be able to get like a Patasaurus in here still. That'd be nice. You two poisoned each other because you're morons.
That needs fixing. I'm on it.
Stop sitting down. I want to take a picture of you. I love how puppyish the T-Rex is. Not as puppyish as the Acro, mind you, but still pretty cute. Do we have maintenance over here? Like, we don't have it back here, but that feels redundant. There we go. Okay, I kind of like that. That's cute. It's like, I need a screenshot that does the T-Rex justice, you know? That might be it. That's pretty decent. Okay, I think we're gonna leave this episode off here. It's been a pretty eventful one. We've wrangled that insane catastrophe park thing, and we beat the main campaign. So, yeah, pretty eventful indeed. Thank you so much for joining me. We will be continuing tomorrow, of course. as always. And yeah, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a delightful rest of your day. Goodbye.